In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Notion Workspace. If you collaborate with clients, contractors, or classmates, adding someone as a guest to a single Notion page is a simple, secure way to share only what's necessary. Guests get access to the specific page you choose, not your entire workspace, which keeps everything else private. First, open the Notion page you want to share. Make sure the content on this page is ready for someone else to see. Titles, sections, and any databases you include will be visible to your guest. If the page lives inside a larger project, remember that only the selected page and its subpages will be shared. Next, look to the top right corner and click Share. This opens the sharing panel, where you control who can access the page and what they can do. Now, type the guest's email address in the invite field. Double-check spelling to ensure the invite reaches the right person. You can add a short message if your plan supports it, but it's optional. The invite email will include a link to the page so they can join easily. Before sending, choose the appropriate permission level from the drop-down. For most collaborations, Can View is perfect when you only want someone to read or reference the content. Select Can Edit when you expect the guest to add or update information, such as filling out a database, writing notes, or reorganizing sections. Pick the level that matches the job to be done. Tighter permissions reduce accidental changes and keep your page history clean. Once the permission looks right, click Invite. Notion will send an email to the address you provided, and as soon as they accept, they'll appear as a guest on this page. If they already use Notion with that email, access is granted immediately when they open the link. If they're new, they'll be guided through a quick sign-in before viewing the page. That's the entire process. Open the page, click Share, enter the email, set permissions, and send the invite. A few quick tips to keep things smooth: verify the email domain if you are working with an organization, and choose the lowest permission that still lets the guest do their work. Permissions are flexible and can be adjusted later if your needs change. With that, you've successfully added a guest to your Notion Workspace page, giving them the right level of access without exposing unrelated projects. Thanks for watching.